That would be great. And Andrew, great question. Thank you so much, Julio. Oh, and Andrew already wrote in. I could use that.
Good. All right. So here's the correlation of how media is spent. So what I do is I advertise. I'm an advertiser. So when I look at how influential a medium is for my client, we're obviously going to advertise. So in the orange bar, you can see that that's the percentage of money spent in a medium. So you can see that internet, TV, print are pretty high. They're above the 20%. But then the blue bar is the time spent with this medium by the consumers. So you would think that if people are going to spend more time online or more time on TV, I would focus my budget there. But in fact, if you look at print, we're spending more dollars on print, and people are spending less time with print. So you can see that there's a little bit of budget movement that needs to happen in order to be successful. In no regards I'm saying we should eliminate all print budget, because we do think that print, it has a space in advertising. But you can see that the internet, we are spending a certain amount of money on budgets on the internet, but the consumer is actually spending more time with this medium. So notice that TV is a little bit more up to date on it. Now, if we take that and we talk about influence. So if I am selling you a car, or there's two people in front of you selling you a car, or three people in front of you selling you a car, which one is more influential on how they speak to you, how they present the car? Do they have a better car than the other person? That influence is what we're talking about here. Why are you going to buy a car from a dealership in an area and not go to another one is very important to the dealers today. So we all know the zero moment of truth. Zero moment of truth is something that came out about a year and a half ago, and it was really Google's way of telling the consumer and telling everyone